In my honest opinion, I do not think you can make up to 50,000 naira just performing tasks every single month on the hawkit platform. Though it is pretty much possible for you to make up to 5 to 10,000 naira every single month just performing tasks on the platform. But here are two ways I think you can make up to 50,000 naira on the hawkit platform. One is through the referral program. If you know about hawkit pays you 500 naira for every single person you refer to the site just to sign up and become a member using your unique referral link. Which means if you refer 10 people, you've made yourself a total of 5,000 naira, and if you refer 100 people, that is you making 50,000 naira. If you are one of those people who are actually good with bringing people to the platform and making them sign up, making them register, making them become a member, this is one way you can actually make up to 50,000 naira on the hawkit platform. The second way is for every single person who registers on the platform. Once you register on the platform, I don't know if this will be available for long, but right now it is still available. Once you register and you become a member, you get 1 free month to advertise your product on the hawkit platform. This is for those of you who sell one thing or the other, or who offer a service or the other. With the hawkit 1 month free advertising, you get to make thousands and thousands of people to see your product every single day. I mean, if you sell a product and you are making a total of 1k profit on each sale, and you make about 50 sales in that 1 month, that is you making 50,000 naira. These are some of the products available on the hawkit marketplace, and here is the number of people these products have actually reached. If you want to register on the hawkit platform, click on the first link in the description below and it's going to take you to the registration page. I want you to know that for you to become a member on hawkit, you need to pay a total sum of 1,000 naira to actually become a member and start performing tasks, referring your friends, or before you can be able to access the marketplace. If you use the link in the description box, you're getting a 20% discount, which is going to be added to your balance immediately you become a member. And if you are watching this video right now and you want to make between 10 to 20k absolutely for free every single month online, you should click on the second link in the description and it's going to take you directly to my WhatsApp group. I want to say a big thank you for watching this video. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button yet, I want you to click on it now, like this video, and click on that bell icon to receive notifications immediately I upload a new video like this. I really want to say a big thank you for watching, and as always, I'm watching you from afar and I will always keep rooting for your success.